Hello from Stortorpsbadet in Huddinge municipality in Stockholm. It is 12th of June, Wednesday, and we have quite a fine day despite the storm coming on its way, as you can see in the clouds. It is currently 17 degrees Celsius in the air and 21 degrees Celsius in Lake Drevviken. And it's been a while since I've been on this beach, approximately 1 year ago. Last time when I was here it was raining, I remember. I was all alone as well. Let's see if the rain is gonna catch up here as well soon. But yes, it is a public beach in the Stortorp area that's very close to the border between Stockholm and Huddinge municipality. It took me almost 9 kilometers to reach this beach with my Scott, so around 22 minutes I think it was actually, and I'm ready to take a swim and continue my beach adventures, as today is beach day number 61 on my Sweden beach adventures. That's right. So the water seems super still over here. There is also one rocky part that's connected to the beach itself, and there the water is floating around, but here it is blank. If you see the surface and the reflection, you can see clearly from the sky as well, and the rain that it's on its way. So yes, Lake Drevviken I have visited many times before. It's a huge lake with so many public and wild beaches in it. And this is also obviously a neighborhood, and there are houses that are actually on the lake as well. Yes, so the beach adventure with Chris continue, and June so far delivers quite worse weather than May, but let's hope that that will turn around soon and we're gonna get some more nice weather in the month of June in Stockholm, Sweden. So here I'm moving a bit forward towards the more depth, because here I see some algae material on the top, so I'm just moving along. As here it is very still, but further along it's quite nice. So then I am ready for today's swim, 12th of June. Let's go! Amazing as always. Amazing as always. I just enjoy taking a swim in the lake or the sea every day. It's so beautiful. And here we can see also the beautiful rock formations next to Stortorpsbadet. On the other side we can see Hundal area, where I have already been, but there are a few more big spots there I would like to visit later this year. And look at those mansions with the lake view. Isn't it amazing? I would like to have that one. House like that for sure. Maybe soon. If I get 1 million subscribers on my channel for it. Anyway, yes, I'm so grateful that I have so many subscribers right now on my channel that have been mostly acquired from my shorts, YouTube shorts that I post of my silly dances and Eurovision also content as well. I'm gonna hit 12,000 subscribers soon, so that's super amazing. I'm so happy about it. Anyway, the beach adventures will continue anyway on the site as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode from Stortorpsbadet in Huddinge, Stockholm, on Lake Drevviken, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!